Righto, we're all loaded up, ready to go camping. Let's go. Oh. G'day, Oz ADV rider here. We're heading to Bright. We're doing an overnight trip. First time I've been camping on the bike in over a year. The bike's had a few modifications since then, but it's handling really well. I'd still like to get some pannier racks on here so I can mount my luggage better. I've got all my luggage mounted quite high on the bike. But so far it's handling quite well. I did a bit of dirt road earlier. As soon as I hit the loose gravel, the front end felt very nervous, so I give the rear shock a bit more preload and it felt heaps better. So we're just coming into some twisties now. Bike feels fine on the road. All the weight I removed modifying my bike, I've probably got back on in camping gear, so the bike feels fine. Doesn't feel overloaded at all. Right, this just looks like it's going to start getting a bit more interesting. There has been a bit of rain around, so I'll have to keep an eye out for wet patches. So I've never been to Bright before, so that'll be good. It's always good going somewhere new. Eddie's tyres are more off-road orientated than mine, so he's not as keen on the twisties. Past him when we get a chance, eh? What do you reckon? Righto, we're going past. See ya, Eddie. One thing I love about the V-Strom is the 19-inch front wheel. It's a lot better on the road than a 21-inch. And it's still quite good off-road. Not as good as a 21 off-road, but I think it's a good compromise for an adventure bike. I'm a little bit restricted in movement with the bags all around me. Good thing with the big bag on the pillion seat, I can actually rest my backpack on it and take the weight off it. So there's no weight on my back. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, we've just hit our first bit of dirt for the day. Oh, whoop, whoop, we're turning. Hold up. Myrtleford. Oh, well, getting some roost. Ow, ow. Oh, we got some twisties in the gravel. Awesome. Oh, and some views. Wow. Check that out. Rightio. Just filled up, didn't really need it, but filled up just in case. Yeah, we're just going through Bright. It was really busy in there. Talking to some guys from Adelaide who are over here touring around on their enduro bikes. So they trailer the bikes over, just stay somewhere for a few days. Yeah, sound like good fun. We don't know what the campsite's like yet, so yeah, look, find out when we get there. It's been very busy in town though. What's that there? That's a caravan park. Righto. Keep that in mind in case we can't find one. We're hoping to free camp, but or maybe a paid campsite. We're not sure yet. We'll go and check it out. Snowy Creek Road. Let's head it there. Must be from over on the main road.
Yeah, it must be,
Yeah, might have to go back out and around and have a look.